Hey everyone, I'm Corrin with Corrin Fox Fit. Today I'll be leading you through a 15-minute arm workout for beginners. This workout is great to do if you're just getting into fitness or if you simply want to add more movement into your day to feel good. All you'll need for today's workout is an exercise or yoga mat beneath you and a pair of light weights. So today I'm using a pair of 3-pound weights. However, if you don't have weights, get creative, grab something that can work as a weight from around the house, such as cans or jars or shampoo conditioner bottles. We have 5 exercises. Each exercise we'll do for 45 seconds on and 15 seconds off. We'll do a total of 3 full circuits. Make sure to have some water nearby. Let's go ahead and get started. So for our first exercise, we'll do a variation of bicep curls. So we're going to start in an extension with the palms facing up, grabbing your weights here, and we're going to curl in, tap towards the shoulders, and extend back out. Curl in and extend back out. Make sure this whole time that you're not locking the arms, so keep the elbows slightly bent. Get ready, get set, and go. Good. And all these exercises for this workout, I want to mention, you can do this in a chair if you like, instead of standing up, if that feels better for your body. So shoulders away from ears, extending out, curling back in. Breathe. If you are standing, make sure to keep a slight bend in those knees so you don't lock them. Good, you guys. Next up, we have chest flies. We're almost there. We've got 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax those arms down and just 15 seconds rest. You can shake out the arms. Next, we're going into chest flies. So you're going to start with the arms nice and wide, shoulders away from ears, slight bend in the elbows. You're going to draw them in and then out. Drawing them in and then extending back out. So get ready, get set, and go. Breathe. No, so I'm using my 3-pound weights, and please do use whatever feels best for your strength level. You can be lighter than 3 pounds. You can use weights lighter than 3 pounds, or, you might up it depending on what feels comfortable for you. Just be mindful of your body and what feels good, and don't overdo it. Good, you guys. Open and close. Few more breaths here, you guys. Maybe you're feeling the burn in the arm a little bit. I know I am already. Woo! You got this. 3, 2, and 1. Woo! Shake out those arms, you guys. Really nice job. So next we're going to do alternating rows. So I'll turn to the side, feet hip distance apart. You're going to press back through the hips, come on down, nice flat back, long neck, and you're going to draw one weight up. Elbow comes back in and up, up and then back a little bit and then down. And we're just alternating here, back and forth. All right, get ready, get set, and go. So as we're going through these rows, you want to be mindful of your low belly. You want to keep it activated, meaning drawing that low belly in and back towards the spine. Neck is long, gaze is forward and slightly down. We're really driving that one elbow at a time, up and back, up and back. Good, you guys. Sometimes the hardest part about working out, moving our bodies, is just showing up for ourselves. And you guys are here, and I'm so proud of you. I hope you're proud of yourself too. Good, you guys. 3, 2, and 1. Rest. Take a few breaths here. 15 seconds rest. Next, we are going to be doing front raises with our palms facing towards each other, raising up above the head, bending into the elbows, and lowering the weights down behind the head for a tricep dip. All right. So get ready, get set, and go. Slowly raise it up. Keep those arms in by the ears and bend into that tricep dip. Good, you guys. I'm proud of you for being here. Keep up this great work. Nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, up. 1, 2, 3, down. All right, nice steady tempo. Almost there. We've got 3, 2, and 1. Good job, you guys. Rest. 15 seconds. All right, we're going into our last exercise of this first circuit. We're going to start with our weights towards the chest. Both weights here, palms facing each other. We're going to punch out to the side, draw it back in. Punch out forward, draw it back in. All right, nice slow punches. We're not going fast here. Again, nice slow, steady tempo. Get ready, get set, and go. So lateral punch out to the side, bring it in, punch forward with both weights, bring it in. Good. Keeping the shoulders away from the ears the whole time. Nice, you guys. And if you ever need to take a break within these 45 seconds, you can. You can pause the video, rest a bit more, and then unpause when you're ready. Good job, you guys. Keep going. Almost there. We've got 3, 2, keep punching, and 1. Whew. Nice, you guys. Shake out those arms. That was our first full circuit. Roll the shoulders back and forth a few times. We're going into, in just a second, our second set of our bicep curls with that extension. We're going to start in that extension and curl to the shoulders. Grab any water if you'd like. All right, here we go. Ready, set, and go. Out, curl in. Extend out. Don't lock those elbows. And in. Good. I'm just so happy you're here. Thank you for pressing play on this video. When we move our bodies, we tend to feel better mentally and physically. I know a lot of the days for me, exercise has just become a habit because it just positively impacts my mental health. And I hope it does for you too. All right, you guys. Almost there with this. So we've got 3, 2, and 1. Rest. Woo, yeah, shake it out. Do you guys feel a burn a little bit? Yes. All right, rest up here. Next, we have our chest flies. Deep breath in, deep breath out. All right, get ready for those chest flies. Out and in. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1, and go. Out and draw it in. Out and draw it in. Good. Again, shoulders away from ears. We're spreading the collarbones wide as we open up. Good. We're working our back muscles, our lats, our chest muscles, our pectoral muscles, building strength. Nice, you guys. Feeling good. You got this. Keep going. Almost there. We have 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Rest those arms. Shake it out a little bit. Shake it out. Next, we have our alternating rows. So remember, press back through the hips. Come on down slightly. Keep that. You shouldn't feel any pain or sensitivity in the back or neck. So nice, flat, neutral spine. Get ready to row. 3, 2, 1, and go. Draw the arm and elbow up and back. Up and back. alternating one side at a time. Good. Really nice job, you guys. Keep moving. Making sure as you're moving, you are actively breathing, not just holding the breath. All right. Woo. Creating some heat here. Nice. 3, 2, and 1. We rest. Good. All right, you guys. Second set now coming up of our tricep, well, our front raises to tricep dips. All right. You guys are doing awesome. Keep it up. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and raise it up. Up, 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 and tricep dip. Slowly lowering down. Good. Slowly lowering, slowly drawing up, and then lowering back. Breathe. Keep those elbows in towards the ears as you draw the weights down behind the head. Almost there, you guys. We have 5. We have 4, 3, 2, and 1. Awesome. All right, rest here. And in just a second, we're going to get into our second set of our side and forward punches with both weights. And as we move through each circuit, if you need to go down in weights, you can, or if you want to up it, you're like, oh, this is too easy, you can go up in weights. Whatever feels best for you, just check in with yourself and what you need. All right, you guys, let's do this. Ready, set, and go. So start in by the chest, extend, punch out, and in, push out, good, side, and front, and wide, and front. Good work, you guys. Yes, we're moving our bodies, creating some more positive brain chemicals, happy chemicals in the brain, right? We all need that. Good, you guys. We're almost there. Breathe. We have 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and rest. Excellent job, you guys. Shake out those arms, roll the shoulders back and forth if you'd like. And we are about to head into our third and final circuit. So we're in the home stretch. Stay with me. Of course, as always, if you want to, you can pause this video, take a longer break between circuits if you want. All right, you guys, last set of our bicep curls. Get ready, get set, and go. Of course, working our biceps here. Yes. And you guys are strong. Maybe you don't feel that way, but you really are. Just the fact that you showed up for yourself, that's a different type of strength. You are strong. You know, we can work on building strength mentally and physically. So thank you for showing up for yourself and being here with me for this workout. We're bettering ourselves, mind and body. Good, you guys. Breathe through it. You're doing amazing. Keep it up. We have 3, 2, and 1. Rest. Shake out the arms. We have chest flies, our last set of chest flies coming up. All right, so get ready for those. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Arms out wide, feet a little wider than hip distance apart, slight bend in the knees or not locking the legs. And not too fast here. 1, 2, 3 in, 1, 2, 3 out is good. A good tempo. Breathe. Draw that belly button in and back towards the spine so you're engaging the core, which helps support the back. Good, you guys. Yes. Keep it up. Maybe you're burning. Feel the burn. 3. We're almost there. Keep going. 2 and 1. Whew. Oh my gosh. Whew. Yes, you guys. Really good job. Take a few breaths. Breathing in through the nose. Out through the mouth. In through the nose. Out through the mouth. Here we go into our last set of alternating rows. Ready and go. Back and forth. Elbow, really drive that elbow up and back. Neck is nice and long. Gaze is forward and slightly down. Working here. Nice job, you guys. Awesome. Keep up the great work. You were doing so good. Breathe. We've got 3, 2, and 1. Woo! Nice, you guys. Alrighty. Coming up second to last, we have our front raises with our tricep dips. Here we go. A few more breaths, breathing in through the nose, out through the mouth. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1, and go into that front raise and slowly dip. Good job, you guys. Breathe and move. Really nice job, you guys. Almost there. We've got 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And we rest. Good job. All right, you guys. We are almost there. Stay with me. Don't give up. We have one more exercise. All right, and then you are done. You guys have been doing such a great job. Give it your all for this last exercise. We're almost there. Get ready, get set, and go. Punch out to the side and drop back in. Out in front, drop back into the chest. Really nice work, you guys. Again, I'm so proud of you for being here, for pressing play, moving your body, because when we move our bodies, we feel better mentally and physically. This is a form of self-care if you think about it that way. Good job, you guys. Breathe as you move. Nice work. We're almost there. We've got 3, 2, keep going, and 1. Woo! Set those weights down. Really nice job, you guys. Virtual high five. Woo! I feel it. High five there. Thank you guys so much for doing this arm workout for beginners. I hope you enjoyed it. If you wouldn't mind, comment below of what you thought of this workout, how you felt, if you want to see more workouts like this. And stay hydrated, take care, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys.